Hi guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a February monthly plan with me, and before we get into it, I did want to show you guys that I changed my cover. I'm using the Erin Condren cover with just the foiled floral heart. This was the cover that my planner came on, but I switched it to my Grateful and Thankful cover, but now that it's February, I get to use this, and I think it is gorgeous. So many of us have the cover, and I'm so happy we all get a match now. So for this month, I'm using a kit from PaperBlushBar, and I did haul this, but that haul will go up probably the 8th of February, maybe early this week. So you will see that after this. So make sure you're checking out that haul on the 8th when it goes live. But I just wanted to go through this real quickly. You have your functional sheet and then your February stickers and then your sidebar in full boxes. So we are going to get into this. I'm really liking this kit. It's really pretty. It has a pink foil, as you can tell. So I am bringing in rose gold, but I guess we'll see. So we can get right into it. I'm going to first just white out February just so I don't have to pull it up. And I have not repurchased any good whiteout. So I am going to use my janky whiteout, hopefully. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm going to do the other February, or the Think Happy one, and this is so pretty. So, and I know there's the, actually I probably should do my Thursday through Saturday first. And I had to pick this kit up on Premium Matte. So I'm going to white the days out real quickly too. Just because these are white. And I guess I should have whited that out too. So I'm gonna flip this around. I used white out enough that it would cover it, but I could still see the line. Okay, I think that looks all right. I guess we'll see when I put the top down. So I'm gonna put the Think Happy. Okay, that looks super cute, and now let's do this side. I love PaperBlushBar's kits, but this is just like scary. I don't like doing this. I also don't know how long it's supposed to be or where I'm kind of supposed to start. Like, yeah, see, that doesn't work. Oh my gosh, I just ripped it. Okay. So I'm going, oh goodness, oh my, this is not my day, or my week, or, so maybe this is a sign that I shouldn't continue doing monthly spreads, because I just ripped it. Ugh. Just luckily, there's like a lot of white in this. Alright, so now I'm going to do the days that are not in February, and I'm trying to figure out, because we have okay, I'm gonna do this one up here because this is a scene, so that looks really cute, and there are some dots that you can kind of see, but I'm just gonna leave them like right here just because I don't really want to deal with that. And then I'm going to do these down here because these are days in March. Okay, I'm going to turn this sideways. Alright, so now that that is down, I'm going to just put the headers down. And I'm going to use goals, favorites. Should I do wish list? I'll do remember and tasks. I feel like a lot of these are just redundant. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do wish list. So now we can go into it. Groundhog Day, I'm gonna put that there, and I think it goes on the dots. Perfect. And then Valentine's Day, I don't know if it's gonna cover. She does not have President's Day. So, which is funny because she lives in DC. So, kind of ironic that she forgot President's Day. That's okay. For Tuesday and I don't have anything going on today. For Tuesday, Thursday, I'm going shopping with my mom. We're going kind of just doing some fun things in a mall close to us, but not close, but kind of close, I guess you could say. It's about a 2-hour drive, so we're spending Friday to Saturday there. So I'm just going to use a little piece of the washi and then cut it. And then I'm going to take this shopping spree sticker from Planning World. That's just from the foiled functional sheet in the rose gold. And I will show you guys what that looks like. So it just has a little bit of foil so you can see the pink and the rose gold right there. And then Monday I have a doctor's appointment. So I'm going to use a quarter box from Little Miss Papery, and I actually am a PR girl for her. If you use the code Amanda15, you get 15% off $15 or more. So make sure to go use that, and then you also get my freebie when you, I just tore up some dots. And then you also get my freebie that I designed, or not I designed, but I chose some of my favorites. So I'm excited. And then I'm going to take these from Simply Watercolor Co. And these just say appointment. Cute. Wednesday I have tons of schoolwork due. Another label, but she does have one of these like bigger labels that I want to use. So I'm just going to put that there. And then I have these from Sesavi, and I'm just gonna put an arrow right there just to remind myself. Wednesday I also babysit. So for babysitting, I'm gonna take one of these little bows from Simply Watercolor Co. as well, and I'll use that to cover the moon that was there. And then Thursday I also babysit, and I have my junior achievement. So I have these from Wild Summer Designs, and they match pretty darn well. So I'm going to take this one. So I'm going to put junior achievement there so that I just go student teach. A 3rd grade class. And then since I babysit again, I will put that there. And I think I babysit this day, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm just going to wait to mark that. And then I have more stuff for school due. So maybe I'll just use these to mark school stuff due. I have an assignment due on Friday, because with my assignments and stuff, I like things to be consistent, or not consistent, just kind of match. Okay, that's straight for me. And then I also have something due Sunday. This plan with me is just a hot mess. Anybody else agree? I agree. And then the 13th, I have an assignment due. So I'm just going around and putting assignments that are due. And again, these are from Sesavi in the rose gold, just arrows. And then I have one do the 14th. And then Friday and Sunday, I have something to do. And I really like these. I don't really use them often, but I think they're kind of really cute. Okay, so then this week's kind of busy. I have a meeting on this day, and I'm going to take one of these from Little Miss Papery again. And these are my favorite. One of these is on my sampler. They're just the glitter quarter boxes, the glitter solid quarter boxes. I love them. To put meeting, because I have teaching together meeting, and then so I'm like going through my school planner right now, and then I have another assignment due on Wednesday. Okay, then Thursday's busy. Let me do a couple of these. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna even upload this. I think it's a disaster. And then Thursday I have junior achievement again. And I'm just going to use, because I have one here, and also this Thursday. We have it every Thursday except for, we didn't have it today because they were going on a field trip. Those for junior achievement. And then also I'm actually going to move this up because hold on, do a couple of things. So I babysit this day. So let's put one here. And then I'm going to put a label. I'm actually going to try to move this up. Then I'm going to take a little flag from the kit and just put that right there. That's like such a cute little flag. Sunday I have another assignment. And then Monday I have an assignment. And then I also unfortunately have to go to a child abuse seminar for class. So I'm going to take another one of these labels from Little Miss Papery, and then, oh my gosh, you can see my atrocious mess. And then a little icon, and these icons are from Planning World. This one was just from the Peony Rose Gold sheet. 28, I have one last assignment. Wow, this is a busy month with school. So those are the assignments and everything, and I'm gonna go now do my date dots with just some tweezers, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is my February monthly spread. I really like how it turned out, even though there were tons of ups and downs. I think it's really, really pretty, and I'm really happy that I chose this kit from PaperBlushBar to do February because it's just so girly and I'm just obsessed with the floral. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at My Life Stuck on Paper, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!